In this video clip, I'll be showing you how to check your furnace filter. The first thing that you need to do is locate your furnace. Now, in many houses, the furnace is located in the laundry room, which is in the basement. Our furnace unit is located here, right next to our water heater. If you look towards the bottom of our furnace, you'll see that there is what looks like a piece of cardboard in there. This is our filter. To remove the filter, you just lift it straight up and it'll pull right out. When checking your filter should be white, not brown. This filter is pretty dark, which means there's a lot of dust that is collected on this filter. By having a really dirty filter, it'll decrease the efficiency that you're able to cool your house.